Stop scrolling. Today I'm showing you the best dinner recipe ever, which is beef tacos. My For You page has been full of beef tacos. Every scroll I do is beef tacos, so I just had to make them myself. They are so crispy and delicious, and please just look at this cheese pull. I think these speak for themselves. So many people requested the recipe on Instagram, so yeah, let me show you how it's done. So in a large pan, you're going to add some oil and add in your chopped onion. You can use a red or white onion. I used a white onion, and you're going to saute that until it's light golden and brown. And then we're going to add in the meat. So actually, you can either use beef or lamb. I'm using lamb because I prefer it. But yeah, by all means, use beef or lamb. It doesn't matter. This is 1 kg. And now we're going to flavor the meat up like no tomorrow. So first I'm using some ginger garlic paste followed by some tomato paste. Mix that in thoroughly, and now it's time to add all of our seasonings. There are a lot of seasonings I use, so yeah, I will list the full ingredients in the caption below as always. But to summarize, there was salt, paprika, garlic powder, chili powder, mustard powder, chili flakes, and a chicken stock cube. I had actually forgotten to add the mustard powder, so yeah, I just did this after I added my cup of water. I'm going to let this cook for around 25 minutes on medium to low heat, and make sure you mix through as it's cooking. This is optional, but I added in 2 tablespoons of plain flour to make the beef/lamb more crispier. Once that's cooked, it's now time to assemble our beef tacos. So I have some lettuce, mozzarella, sour cream, guacamole, some parsley and chives. I'm using these mini tortilla wraps. You're going to dip the wrap in the beef just to give it that extra additional flavor. Then we're going to load this up. So I like to do a very generous amount of mozzarella cheese, followed by the beef and then some more mozzarella cheese. You're going to fold these into a taco shape and add them to a pan full of heated oil. Fry these on each side for 2 minutes until they are golden brown on medium to low heat. And because we're using a lot of oil, I want to drain the excess oil off, so I'm using the kitchen roll method. All you want to do is take the tacos off the pan and add them onto some kitchen roll, and that should basically drain off all of the excess oil. Added the tacos onto a board with my sour cream, my guacamole, and also some lemon. I mean, if you really wanted, you could do a Nara Smith and make the guacamole and sour cream from scratch, but I have a very busy life, and yeah, I just didn't have time, so I did buy mine from the supermarket. We're going to load the beef tacos up. Don't forget to add that squeeze of lemon because it makes the biggest difference ever. And yeah, it's time to demolish. I made a lot of tacos. These lasted me a good 3 days. There were 16 tacos, and yeah, they're amazing.